Hello people and welcome back to Maxi Made channel. As usual, we feature some of the craziest moments caught on bikers camera, and this episode won't let you down for sure. Make sure to stick till the end and enjoy these videos. Without any further ado, let's get right into it. We'll kickstart this episode off with a drunk guy who thought he could take on everyone, but that soon changed when the biker confronted him. Watch!
What are you talking to? Yeah.
Sorry mate, he's really drunk.
Where are you talking to? It's a pedestrian area before 7 o'clock at night, bruv.
Go with Louise now, please.
Go down there and see how many mopeds are on the street, bruv.
Well, okay.
Have a good one.
I'm very sorry, mate.
That's what I'm trying to go slow as well. Have a good one. Have a good one, bro.
This driver cut the biker off, and he didn't look that serious because the biker continued with his usual ride. But a bit further up the road, the driver purposely swerved into the biker. This is where things started to go from bad to worse.
Darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you.
How unlucky for this biker. His backpack opened mid-ride and something fell out onto the road. Luckily, he noticed it straight away on his mirror and he pulled over.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
No! Don't do it! Please! No! Oh, bro. Tell me it's in there. Tell me it's okay. Yeah! Hope I don't get hit now.
Crazy driver cussed this cyclist up and slammed on his brakes. There was absolutely no need for that.
You some sort of nutter? For one off you.
לא, האמת היא דווקא סבבה. יחסית סבבה. יותר טוב הבלימות? וואו 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 וואו! מה אתה מטומטם? מה אתה מטומטם? אחי, איך אתה נוסע? מה אתה מטומטם? אתה נורמלי? אתה פשוט לא הסתכלת ונכנסת? אתה מטומטם איך שנכנסת? או שעשינו תאונה? מה? זה מצולם, אתה יודע את זה, עכשיו יש משטרה, אני יכול להזמין עליך.
biker made a new friend at the traffic lights, but his streak of positive vibe got cut short moments later when this crazy driver appeared. To anyone watching this clip, please never pass other vehicles on the shoulder of the road. This is not how to set an example for future generations. To look at your side mirrors and indicate while changing lanes applies to bikers, not only drivers. Someone, please tell this pedestrian not to play around like this, for his own and for the safety of others as well. Never be hesitant like the driver in this video. He stopped on the worst possible place and thought about taking the exit.
I vou ouvindo música amiga. Piscas, meu, piscas.
Biker lost control of his bike and he rode over roundabout object fixation.
Wow, that was...
I don't know what just happened there. It's like I went to turn and it didn't turn.
In case you ever wondered how it looks like not to pay attention at your mirrors or turn signals, well, here is your chance. Consequences can be severe.
Co za... No kurwa mać.
Os passeios, as saídas e cortar em trechos para outros canais utilizarem. Aqui eu acredito. Segura! Eita zoa! Tem que botar uma pipa aqui.
No!
you get a free spin and a chance to win.
With roundabout.
This crazy driver pulled out in front of the biker without paying attention at the traffic coming from behind. He was supposed to let the biker through, but it didn't happen. Driver passed the biker way too close here, and he almost knocked him off his bike as well. Cameraman found himself in a rather bad spot to take pictures of bikers during the race. This biker nearly hit him, and this is how he managed to avoid it.
Holy! What was that? Like, Bye! Yeah, that's why you are faster. Your bike.
With this clip, we conclude another episode on Maxi Made channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and taking notes on how to and how not to behave in certain situations in traffic. Your support means the world, and I would appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel as well. Until the next episode, ride safe and stay safe.